This thing is mega dirty. Got to clean all of this out, strip the whole thing. Yeah, so I've just put a new servo in and reconnected all the steering. Jeez! Progress. Right, all finished. All put back together, spool and everything's all back on. All done. Changed any bits I needed, put a new servo on it. Yeah, mate. Actually, one thing I'm missing is the servo box cover, as you can see there, but I've got one on order, and I might just pinch one off there, or I might just pinch that one. So I might just take this one out though, because it's drivable. Alright, so I've got it all built and assembled and all running, all set up in that. It's missing the top cover of the servo tray. Weather's a little bit shitty, but yeah, gonna take it out anyway, why not? Yeah, you already know what's happening, don't you? I'm back home. Result of the first test run was pretty good. Standard. I've got no brakes. It's not set very well, but then can't really set the brake when it's sat on the workshop table, so can only do it when I'm out running, see how it actually works. But yeah, she's all good. The only one thing I noticed is that I need a couple of new gaskets from where the manifold meets the exhaust. Doesn't look it anymore because I've cleaned it. It's spitting out loads of fuel and stuff. You can see how it's black all there, so it's going to need cleaning, taking back off and changing. And then yeah, I don't know, I might keep this one and have it as a jumper. I might turn it into a drag racer, or I might just sell it. What you saying? Let me know if you want it. Hit me up in the comments. Peace out. Actually guys, while I'm here, just one thing to be careful about buying a second-hand RC car. Unless you know what you're doing, I wouldn't really recommend it, because this one was bodges on bodges on bodges, but thankfully I had a good bit of knowledge and the right bits to swap them with. I will give you one example of a bodge, but it works, so, and it's functional, but at the moment I'm not looking to replace it. But if I do anything with it, obviously I will do. But so you have this here, Try and get a good angle for you. Yeah, okay, track rod ends. Alright. Rammed a bit of threaded bar in here, but it works, it's functional, it doesn't bend, it doesn't wobble, it stays nice and true, so it works. But yeah, if that gives you an idea of anything else, I literally had wood screws holding things on, so yeah, you know, just be careful out there. But yeah, enjoy, see you later.